Hi, welcome everyone. I'm RajinikanthVadla, and today I'm going to introduce you one repository. While I'm going through the internet, I found one interesting repository. So you can see on my screen here while I'm searching, there was a nice idea, that repository, and I love it. So that is the meaning of this emojis. What is that repository? Without wasting time, let me give you some quick intro about it. One of the sole developer, he developed one repository where you can play a game, same like a server survival. It's called server survival, where you can mimic the infrastructure with the servers, firewalls, load balancers, and also your SQL databases and the file storages, so that whenever the attack will be happen, and means it will also going to mimic you the real-time kind of an attack to you by live traffic. So the request on the API side and all this, it will be going to show you over there in that game, and will also play you some sounds. It's a nice idea actually. It will not give you a complete configurational things. You are not able to do any configuration. It's just a kind of plug and play game. You're just having some options and put it over there and test your knowledge. How good you are doing this game with your technical knowledge. Think like you are an architecture. Think like you are a DevOps engineer. Think like something you are a Kubernetes or a Docker. Probably you're a DevOps engineer, right? So infrastructure, AWS, Azure, or GCP, or on the bare metal servers, you would be having some good knowledge as a Linux administrator. So it is perfect fit for you. If you see here, so this is the repository, the server survival, and you can clone into your local and just open this index.html. So it will render into your browser, and there you can play it. Otherwise, you can also click this URL here. It will open the web game for you, and it is asking you sandbox mode, manual FAQ, and start survival. I would like to recommend, okay, start survival. Here you can see it is also giving you some tutorial like how you can play it. Welcome Arctic. Oh, and then next, it will tell you that choose a firewall right now. Okay, choose a firewall right now. This is an internet actually. So I choose and I click here. Okay, and then it is asking me to link. If you read right side, it will tell you that how to link it. So link it to the internet to the firewall. This connection is happened, and then it is asking deploy a load balancer. Oh, this is a load balancer. Click here, and then link it to the firewall to the load balancer, right? And then it is asking you compute server. So this is a compute server. Click here. This is a compute server, right? Right, and put it to this one. Okay, and then deploy a file storage. Okay, then I'll keep it here. File storage to this, and deploy a SQL database. Okay, already there. Okay, so do something like this. And then if you have cache, you can also do that. So something like that, you can unlink it, demolish it, and select any object. Or do you want help? You can see here the live, the survive endless traffic and route web traffic to the file storage and API and block fraud things. So here is the score when you play this. So the traffic is coming to you. You see, the traffic is coming to you. Here the total score is going on. So it is hitting. See, this one is for API, Rational DB, and this is, you can see this colors as well. It will also tell you that uh, some attack is going to happen. Total score, good. Uh, uh, Here you can see firewall blocked 40, web storage 25, API is 0 right now. Tier 1, okay. Something like this, and then refresh it, and again go firewall and link to this one, take cache, link to this one, to this one, connect file and compute. Uh, 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 Something like this. Oh, I think this is something a problem. It is not that so easily selecting because whatever he has defined, those things will be happen. But we can check. So I would recommend this is a good practice for the freshers or beginners to learn about this. Okay. I hope this video is helpful. If it is helpful, just please like and share and subscribe. Thank you everyone for this.